What if I told you the same cup of coffee that helps one person burn fat is the exact same cup that makes someone else gain weight? Sounds crazy, right? But this is what experts now call the coffee paradox. For some folks, coffee switches their body into fat burn mode for hours, but for others, that same cup flips their body into fat storage mode instead. And the difference can come down to one tiny tweak you do in the first 7 seconds before breakfast. Most people never hear about this, so they drink coffee every morning, thinking it helps, when in reality, their body may be slipping into something called metabolic hibernation. Stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'm going to show you exactly what metabolic hibernation is, how to spot it, and how a simple 7-second tweak before breakfast may help reactivate your body's natural fat-burning switch. This isn't about starving yourself. It's not about giving up your favorite foods. And no, you don't need to quit coffee. In fact, coffee can become your secret weapon. You just need to use it the right way. Let's talk about your metabolism in simple terms. When your metabolism works well, your body uses the food you eat as energy. You burn more calories, even while resting. That's called metabolic efficiency. But when your metabolism slows down, your body gets lazy. It stores more fat. You feel tired. You crave sweets. And you may gain weight faster than you used to. That slow state is what many experts now refer to as metabolic hibernation. And here's the wild part. Your morning coffee can push you into either state. But why? Coffee itself isn't the problem. It's what we do with our coffee. So let me walk you through 5 common morning coffee mistakes that can quietly slow your metabolism. Mistake number 1. Too much sugar. Sugar spikes your blood sugar. When that happens, your body releases insulin, the fat storage hormone. So instead of burning fat, your body is now busy storing it. Mistake number 2. Fake creamers and artificial ingredients. Many coffee creamers are loaded with chemicals, gums, and seed oils that may cause inflammation in the body. Inflammation makes it harder for your body to burn fat. Mistake number 3. Drinking coffee too late. Coffee is best early in the day. Too late, and it may disrupt sleep. And poor sleep is one of the biggest triggers of weight gain. Mistake number 4. Zero protein in the morning. If coffee is the only thing in your stomach, your blood sugar can crash later. That often leads to cravings and overeating. And mistake number 5. Not supporting your metabolism. Most people think coffee alone is enough. But your body needs certain nutrients to turn caffeine into real fat-burning power. Without them, you may feel wired, but your metabolism stays sleepy. That's why some folks drink coffee every day, but still struggle with stubborn belly fat, low energy, and slow results. Now let's dig a little deeper into the science, in simple terms. Your body burns calories through something called thermogenesis. Thermogenesis means heat creation. When your metabolism is active, your body creates more heat and burns more calories. Coffee can trigger thermogenesis, but only when the right nutrients are present to support it. One of these nutrients is chromium. Chromium helps your body manage blood sugar. When blood sugar is more stable, your body is more likely to burn fat for energy instead of storing it. Another nutrient is L-carnitine. Think of L-carnitine like a shuttle. It helps move fatty acids into your cells so your body can use them as fuel. And finally, green tea extract. Green tea extract contains natural antioxidants called catechins. These work together with caffeine to boost thermogenesis even more. So when caffeine, chromium, L-carnitine, and green tea extract all work together, your metabolism can fire up like a well-tuned engine. But when your body is missing these helpers, coffee may only make you feel jittery, without giving you the real fat-burning benefits. So here's where things get exciting. There is now a tiny, tasteless packet you can add to your morning coffee that contains these key metabolism-supporting nutrients. It mixes instantly. No flavor, no texture. Nobody would even know it's there. And the best part? It takes about 7 seconds. You don't need to change your diet overnight. You don't need to go to the gym for hours. You simply add this tiny packet to your coffee before breakfast. From there, the nutrients go to work, helping support thermogenesis, metabolism, energy, and fat burning, all while you enjoy your normal morning routine. Now to be clear, this isn't a magic pill. You should still aim for a balanced lifestyle. But for many folks, this simple tweak can become the missing link they've been searching for. Imagine waking up, having your coffee, and knowing your body is now working with you, not against you. Imagine clothes fitting better, more energy, fewer crashes, a metabolism that finally wakes up again. If you want to see the same tiny packets I'm talking about, I've placed a special link for you right below this video in the description. Click that link now, while it's still available, and you'll see all the details, including how it works, customer stories, and how to get it delivered to your door. Remember, you don't have to quit coffee. You don't have to give up the things you love. Sometimes, all it takes is a tiny 7-second tweak. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves coffee as much as you do. Thanks for watching. I'm cheering you on. Here's to a faster, happier metabolism, and a better cup of coffee.